Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm just doing a video of some mail that I got from MiAnU Acres on YouTube. There's a Canadian seed challenge that was being done with another YouTube channel called Hickory Croft Farm. So I had sent MiAnU Acres some seeds, and they had sent me some seeds back. So they're a nice channel to watch with some of the gardening stuff that they have and homesteading stuff that they have. So let's see what they sent me. That's it. So this is cool. I should have brought my glasses with me, but this is giant of Italy parsley. That's cool. Dark green flat leaf parsley. My wife and I use a lot of parsley for cooking and for salads and stuff, so these are gonna come in handy. Cilantro. Oh, my wife's gonna be happy with this. Cilantro is always it's always good too. When you put it in some salads and cooking too. And Russian mammoth sunflower. That's cool. I've always wanted to try to grow some large sunflowers. They just have to try to find. They just have to try to find a place, whether it's at home or at the other property. But I'm sure I'll eventually get them growing. So I just have to try to find a spot. But if it's not going to be this year, it's going to be next year for sure that they'll have them growing. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and thank you, MiAnU Acres, for sending me these seeds. I'll have their name written down in the description below if you guys want to check out their channel. Thank you for watching, and thanks again for the seeds. Have a good day. Bye.